Agoda Affiliate Program Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWest. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join the Agoda Affiliate Program. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and kindly go to agoda.com. Or you can simply click the link on the description below, and you will be directed on this page in which it will show you the details about this platform. And if you don't know Agoda, it is an online travel booking platform that specializes in offering accommodations, including hotels, vacation rentals, apartments, and resorts to travelers worldwide. And aside from that, the company provides a user-friendly website and mobile app that allows users to search, compare, and book accommodations for their trips. And aside from that, Agoda is known for its extensive network of properties and competitive pricing, making it popular choice among travelers looking for a wide range of lodging options at different price points. However, we're not here to book an accommodation for our trip, but rather we're going to use this platform to earn money using their affiliate program. And in order to do that, just simply go to the footer section of this website, and from here under Partner with Us, just click the option that says Affiliates, in which upon clicking on Affiliates, you will be directed on this page. From here, before signing up, if you scroll down below here, it will show you the step-by-step process on how you become an affiliate partner and start monetizing your traffic today, in which all you need to do to become an affiliate is to sign up on this platform by filling out all of the required information. And after that, you will be able to experience some of the features that they offer, including easy integration, multilingual, data at your fingertips, and many more. So just proceed by clicking the sign up button and just fill out all of the required information right here, including your name, your email address, and you also need to create your own password and any other details. And after that, just proceed by clicking the submit button below. However, that is just one way in joining to the affiliate program of Agoda, since the other way of joining to the affiliate program of Agoda is using the platform called Travel Payouts. And in order to do that, just simply go to travelpayouts.com and you will be directed on this page. And if you don't know Travel Payouts, it is an affiliate marketing network and platform specifically focused on the travel industry like Agoda, in which it provides tools and services to individuals and businesses looking to monetize their travel-related websites, blogs, and mobile apps by promoting various travel services and products. And aside from that, Travel Payouts offers a wide range of travel affiliate programs, including flights, hotels, car rentals, cruises, travel insurance, and many more. And now that we know the background info of Travel Payouts, the next thing that we need to do is to simply sign up by entering our email address and password right here. And upon filling out all of the required information, just simply go or click Create Account button. And after signing in, you will be directed on the homepage of Travel Payouts, in which this is what it looks like. You will see on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating, such as the main, programs, reports, finance, tools, and many more. And under this main option, you will see on the right side panel some of the details, including the earnings for today, yesterday, for this month, for the past months, from other affiliate program that you just apply with. While under the programs right here, you will see, by simply clicking on it, you will see here some of the list of the programs that you can join or apply to their affiliate program. Up here, Booking.com, AirHelp, and many more. And aside from that, under the reports option, right here, you will be able to see the performance for a specific period and program, including the bookings and also the referrals. While under the finance, you will see here your balance, your payouts history. Also from here, you can set up your payment method by simply filling out all of the required information. While under the tools option right here, it will show you the various affiliate marketing tools that can be used to track clicks, searches, and bookings that made through the platform. And these tools are designed to help users promote the services of advertisers and earn rewards for their efforts. While under the Academy option, from here, it will be able to provide you a free educational courses and resources for users who want to learn more about affiliate marketing and how to succeed in the travel markets. And aside from that, by clicking the bonuses, from here you will be able to see an additional opportunities to earn rewards and increase the income through various incentive programs and any other rewards. And in those options, kindly click the programs option in order to join to the affiliate program of Agoda. And by clicking on it, just go to the search bar of it. From here, just simply enter Agoda. And if you click enter, it will show you the results below. From here, you will be able to see the reward rate, and to see more details about this platform, just click the details below, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, under the About section, you will see the rate that they offer to the affiliate program, which is 6%, and the average price is over $200. And aside from that, you will see here the overview about the affiliate program of Agoda. And it says here that the Agoda platform makes discounted rates available at approximately 2.9 million hotels and private homes around the globe. And below, you will see the terms of joining the affiliate program, and it says here that pre-approval is required, which means that you need to apply or submit an application, and all you need to do is to wait for them to respond, and the process usually takes up to 2 business days. And if they respond that you are qualified or you are eligible to be part of their affiliate program, you will be able to promote the Agoda platform. Aside from that, you will see here some of the requirements before applying to the affiliate program. And below that, you will see the rate, which is, as I said earlier, is 6% of the booking amount excluding the taxes. And aside from that, below here, you will also see the rewarded platforms, which you can earn rewards from every booking that your audience make. And also below here, you will see the payout process, in which an action is labeled as paid within 2 months after the checkout. And below the payout process, you will see the features and other details about the affiliate program. And now, to proceed joining to the affiliate program of Agoda using travel payouts, all you need to do is to simply click this Connect to Program button right here. And upon clicking on it, it will show you a pop-up window, and all you need to do is to submit the application. However, it says here that you need a project to connect to partner programs. After creating a project, you will now be able to submit your application to Agoda platform. And if you're eligible to be part of their affiliate program, you'll now be able to promote the Agoda, and you can start earning a commission for every booking that your audience make. And after that, you also need or required to create your own tracker links, simply clicking this Create Link button on the top right corner, in which using those affiliate link, you will be able to start promoting Agoda platform to your audience by attaching it to your social media posts, such as on Twitter, Facebook, or even on Instagram. And in terms of payment option, you will be able to set up your payment or your payouts under the Finance option on the left side panel, in which by setting up your payout method, you will be able to withdraw your earnings or commission that you get to the affiliate program of Agoda. So that is just how you can join to the Agoda affiliate program. Thank you.